everyone, this is Michelle from the Launchpad at Indian Trails Public Library. In this video, we're going to see how our magic wand works and then spend some time decorating it.
Our wand is using the magic of electricity to work. Batteries have a negative side and a positive side. Electrons are tiny particles that carry electrical energy. Chemical reactions in the negative part build up more electrons. This means the electrons in the negative part outnumber the electrons in the positive part. It's too crowded. The electrons want to even out the difference and go to a place with fewer electrons. They can't go through the middle of the battery because of the electrolyte wall. When we add a wire, it's like a path or a tunnel for them to go around the wall. That's how we get an electric current. Anything along the way will get powered. Adding a switch will break or connect the loop, allowing us to turn the light on and off. Similarly, if a wire is broken, the electricity will not flow. Decorating your wand is the most fun part. It can be totally personalized and special to you. Here are a few ways to decorate. Make a grip. Add stripes. If you have a permanent marker, you can draw cool designs like this. Be careful and only draw on the tape. I think I want my magic wand to have plant magic, so I'm going to make some leaf patterns. There are many ways to decorate your wand, and these are only a few ideas. What kind of magic does your wand have? If you enjoyed this or learned something new, please consider giving it a thumbs up and liking it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!